Before we get into the video, I just want to say I'm very close to 100k subscribers, and I think it's time for another Q&A. So if you have anything to ask me, could be about anything at all. The instructions on how you can submit your question will be in the description. Enjoy the rest of the video and stay safe out there. My name is Nova, and I'm a sneaker reseller. Join me in my journey where I turn hype sneakers into riches. Oh, got one. Jordan 3 UNCs in the size 8 is so freaking nice. It almost has a hint of blue to it. Yes! I got a dunk. That is absolutely gorgeous. Surprised they're not going for more, but that seems to be the case with every Yeezy nowadays. A bunch of shoes came in the mail today, so let's have a look. Got Dunks in the size 11. Zam! That looks really freaking nice. Damn, I got some glue stains on mine though. Come with extra white laces, and that's about it. This is a really sought after colorway, but other than that, there's not much else to talk about. Oh my goodness. If I'm not mistaken, these were supposed to be European exclusives. Random shock drop. I was able to get one of them. Very interesting materials. And these are quite limited, so I'm surprised they're not going for more in the resale market. But I can still make some money off of this. And now, for the shoes that I have been waiting for seemingly an eternity. And that is the Jordan 1 Racer Blues in the size 8. Honestly, these look amazing. But the problem is, this is patent leather. And creases on patent leather look like eyesores. And that's why I don't think this is one of those Jordan 1s that will age like fine wine. I feel like it's gonna look bad after I beat them up, because at the end of the day, shoes are meant to be worn. I think I'll try them on. Yeah, definitely keeping them. I don't even care if these don't age like fine wine. I'll make it work out somehow, because I am in love with these sneakers. Today I'm going to be going for a few releases. I'm not expecting to make too much money off of these. However, the somewhat low retail price for these items combined with the limited stock, I think this is a somewhat decent risk to take, but we're going to see how I end up doing. I got one. Those drops went pretty okay, so I was able to get 3 New Balances, and all of them shipped already if I'm not mistaken. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to get any of the Melody Ehsani sneakers, However, it's not that big of a deal. The profit margins on those weren't so good to begin with, but I did want to see those in hand, which unfortunately we won't be able to do. However, we do have some packages, so let's open them up. First up, we have a black Supreme fleece jacket in the size large. Also came with this sticker pack. We have two Desert Sages, one in size 7 and the other in size 5.5. And lastly, we have another Jordan 1 Racer Blue in a size 8. I feel like these sneakers in particular, they're going to slowly creep up in price, and before you know it, they're going to be super expensive. This is just speculation, but I believe it is going to have a somewhat similar price trend as the Jordan 1 Twist. Originally, they were bricks. They were sitting on a lot of online websites. They were very, very easy to get, and now they are selling for a ton of money. Tomorrow is going to be the release for the Yeezy 350 Cinders. Unfortunately, there is a lot going on in the world right now. I'm really not sure if I want to go all out for these. Worst case scenario, I get stuck with a bunch of shoes, like $1,000 to $2,000 worth of inventory that's difficult to move. And best case scenario, I make like $30 to $50 each. First of all, I really don't think anybody's really worried about buying hype sneakers at the moment, which sucks. Second of all, I've listed pre-orders on eBay for really, really cheap, and I haven't been able to get a sale yet. It's been up there for a few days already, and usually selling pre-orders on eBay go really, really fast. And I have them up for cheap and nobody is buying it. I find that to be very, very troubling. I'm really not sure what to do. I could end up looking like a fool because by the time this video comes out, we will have a better look at what the resale prices are going to be. It is a shoe that in theory should have a lot of demand, but it also has a lot of stock, and being that there is a global pandemic going on right now, I really have no idea. I haven't made up my mind yet, but we're gonna have to see what happens during drop time. Alright, I was able to sell one size 5.5 pre-order, and that is the main thing that I'm gonna go for right now, size 5.5. I decided to pass on foot sites because they actually charge shipping for their items, and the shipping that they charge is quite expensive, so that can really cut into my profit margins. So I decided to mainly go for Shopify websites and Yeezy Supply. Maybe Adidas if they decide to drop it a little bit later. Apart from the 5.5, maybe I'll get a couple more. We'll just have to see, but right now our goal is getting that 5.5 so that we can fulfill that pre-order. Oh yes, I got it. I got it, bro. That was so messy, but I got it. Ah, fuck it. I'll go for more. Oh, got one finally. Ooh, yay, hit one. That Yeezy Cinder release was way harder than what many people anticipated. However, some people got so many freaking pairs. Some people got over 50, some people got triple-digit pairs. However, that was just not a risk that I'm willing to take, especially in a time like this where the coronavirus is running rampant. Other than that, I did manage to sell a few sneakers, one of them being a pre-order for the New Balance shoes, and they actually came in already. Well, a couple did. I got 3 of them and 2 came in already. I'm very surprised that they shipped out, being that the store that I got it from was a Canadian store. So one is a size 9 and the other is a size 8.5. looks like a Skechers shoe. Yeah, you weren't lying about that. I really like it, to be honest. There's a lot of details, very colorful, yet at the same time not too loud, which I like a lot. I also see that there's a lot of 3M on this, so shall we have a look? You know what I like about these? This has like that chunky shoe aesthetic, however it's actually really light. Consignment shops that I normally go to, such as Flight Club and Stadium Goods, have been closed due to the coronavirus. Therefore, I cannot drop off any shoes. I can't pick up my check. As far as my Stadium Goods sales, I've requested an ACH payment, which usually takes a really long time, 3 to 4 weeks. Anyways, a couple of weeks from now, we will have more Jordan 1 highs releasing, and these are super fire. However, resale prices aren't looking too hot, so we're just gonna have to see what I end up doing on the next episode.